Hello water lovers, just thought I'd do a quick video of my Evo, my saltwater tank. I've had this 6 months, so another hobby that I'm into, and I just want to run down for the Evo enthusiasts, because there's a lot out there, believe it or not. So I'm just going to run through quickly. I had everything stock, and everything stock is great, it really is. However, there are some amazing upgrades. Once you know what I didn't want to do is go out and spend a lot of money on all different products when I've got brand new stuff. I bought this tank second hand. So it already had the InTank Media basket and everything else was stock. I run with the same pump, but after about 5 months I got some deals, the odd deal off eBay. For example, the AI Prime is just absolutely awesome, incredible light. Let's have a look from top down. Incredible light. Most people absolutely go mental for this light, for this tank. It's absolutely ideal. So that was the first one. I bought that for £35 off eBay. Obviously second hand, it wasn't working, it had a fault on it. I contacted someone in AI, they refurbished one in the UK. I bought the Wi-Fi card, stripped it down, cleaned it, put the Wi-Fi card in, bang. So £35, and I think the part was £60. It's cost me £90 with the arm and the light. Cleaned it all up, job done. I've obviously the scape, it was real Reef rock, which I've there was two pieces in there. Expensive stuff, cost me about £45. I already had this piece here and I've glued it here, 2 pieces of rock out of it. It's got like some foam glue. So I messed with the Reef. I'm happy with the Reef now, the actual scape. I'll stick with it because I've got a couple of platforms. Made this Zoa Garden platform, so that's glued, look, with this foam stuff. You can just see it underneath. So this is an overhang I created. So I've got my Zoas on there now, so hopefully they'll all knit together. Bought a Lobo the other week. The crabs doing some tidying up because they've just been fed. Look, I've built another platform there. So in terms of Evo, I've upgraded the InTank Media. So I bought this, the DD Jumpguard, made this from leftovers. I made this cover. Just made it, cut it. So I've got the InTank Media basket there, floss on the top, Chemi-Pure Blue, Purigen, and I've got some ceramic tubes in the bottom, some extra biological. And then in here, look, I've got you probably can't see it, but in there is, I've dropped a snail in there now. It's Cheeto macroalgae. That's done really well. And then I've got the pump. Oh, you can't see it, sorry. SuperFish light, cheap white light, all blacked in so you can't see light at the night. That's white light, so that's for me little Cheeto that's in there growing well. And then obviously I've upgraded the pump in the end. So the pump's been upgraded to the AM compact, and then I upgraded, I've seen this little light, 2-in-1, smart heater and light. The good thing about this, got a thermometer on the front, look, so you can see when it's on. Got a little button down there around the back so you can change the temperature, and it's been absolutely solid. It's 55 watts, only meant to be for 40 litres, but you know, I'm in a heated property, it's not a cold room, so that's done really well. So I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to show you my stuff in a minute, what I've upgraded to. So what with the light and the pump's only on low, it's 1 notch from low. Sorry about the cold, guys, I've got a bit of a throatus this last couple of days. But this vivid 1/2 inch lock line, look, straight onto the 1/2 inch lock line on the Evo. That is awesome with this pump. Honestly, it's been that good I've managed to get rid of my wave maker. Wave maker was up here, but look at that movement. Look at that surface agitation. See the difference, look, blow, blow, blow. blowing now, look, and it'll stop for a bit. And it's just awesome. Look at the movement on there, look. The wave maker just wasn't doing this. Since I put the light in, these have been a lot more compact. These zoas here. Because these were really reaching up above here, getting leggy. The movement on that. And the hammer below. Even in this back corner, look. On the spider leg GSP. Encrusting Monty is starting to encrust on the bottom now, like on the glass there, I think. Looks like it to me. I've glued that down so it can't move. So hopefully that will encrust and just form this carpet. Can you imagine that all around this Lobo? That's what I'm after. Carpet of that, and I'm hoping it will climb up this little column they've created here. So they'll get orange colour up there with green. And then it, oh god. Anyway, that's my vision. I've messed with it, so I've got the GSP down there. Look, I've moved it this morning. It has been flowing beautifully. This SPS, that little piece there, look, got that from a LFS, just gave me for free. That's doing really well now. Look at the polyps on it. It doesn't, I can't really get it. It's not doing it justice really. Can't really see it, and I don't want to mess about too much. It just looks, in person, that's better. Look, see the blue. Let's have a top down view. I'm running the Coral Labs AB Plus, and it's the what Eat Sleep Reef users. So I downloaded the file, Worldwide Corals, and adjusted it. I think it's the whites you have to adjust. Merletii, Blastomussa. I've got six Trocus stells in there to deal with the algae. Absolutely awesome. And my urchin, wherever it is. Tuxedo Urchin. Where is it? I'm not seeing it. Sexy shrimp. 2 crabs. Blue-legged, red-legged, red-legged, and I've got Spiney Astrea. That's called a Turban snail. 2 clans. And then I've got the Trocus. There they are, look. There's 5 of them. I've actually banged one in the back there now to clean the glass for me. So, enough for the tank. Doing really well. Let's look at the products I've bought. Here's the heater, look. Lovely little heater. I took the suckers off. And I got 2. I got one for free. I'll not tell you how, but... So that's that. Acro Power. This is doing... I've picked this up as well. You know what it's like. Put in a little sprayer. So a couple of scoopers to squirt every day. This has been awesome as well. I got from LFS. Glass cleaner. Sharp. 2 blades either side, look. Absolutely awesome. Coral Colour Labs. There's the pump. Picked some calcium up the other day. Got a great deal on that. £20 for that. Phosphate Pro. Red Sea Pro kit. And calcium salifer kit. Someone's selling them second hand. Pick some iron up, concentrated iron up from the LFS to dump. I put 1 a week, 1 drop a week into where my Cheeto is, so I think that's doing well. Chemi Pure Blue, and obviously Purigen. So there's me, bits and bobs. I've got bits and bobs everywhere. So I hope you've got something from that quick 10-minute video. Especially the Evo nuts. Thanks for watching, and happy Father's Day to any of you dads out there. And if you've not got a dad for whatever reason, left you or died, then I'm thinking of you. Have a lovely Sunday. good day.